हेलो नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप यू गाइस आर वेरी वेल एंड प्रैक्टिस योगा एवरी डे। तो आज मैं आपसे कुछ मांगने वाला हूँ। प्लीज़ सपोर्ट मी, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। ताकि क्या होता है, अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे चैनल को, जैसे मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहुँचेगा नहीं। तो इसीलिए मैं हमेशा बोलता रहता हूँ कि सब्सक्राइब करो, मुझे सपोर्ट करो, मेरे साथ एक फैमिली बन के जुड़े रहो, ताकि आपका प्रॉब्लम मैं सॉल्व कर पाऊँ। मैं जितना वीडियो अपलोड कर रहा हूँ आपके पास जल्दी से जल्दी नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाए और आप प्रैक्टिस करो, ठीक है ना। तो आज का सीरीज़ रहेगा एकदम इजी फॉर बिगिनर। 10 से 15 मिनट का एक सेशन है आज का, एकदम इजी। लेकिन हाँ, प्रैक्टिस करने से पहले थोड़ा सा आप वार्म अप कर लेना आपका बॉडी को, और जैसे दिखाया मैं वैसे प्रैक्टिस करो, एकदम होल बॉडी वर्कआउट हो जाएगा। बहुत इजी एक्सरसाइज है, करके मुझे बताना कैसे लगा। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर कमेंट करना कैसे लगा। और एक बार चैनल में नया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। जिन लोगों ने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब किया उन लोगों को तहे दिल से थैंक यू सो मच, और जिन लोगों ने किया नहीं प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ सब्सक्राइब करके मेरे साथ फैमिली बन के जुड़े रहो। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो।
Exhale, left side down. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side down. That's great. Continue, please. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side, grab your ankle. Try to focus on your stretching. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Right hand back side, left hand grab your right ankle. That's great. Very good job. Maintain, 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 and maintain. Very good. Nice. Inhale, center, same way, left hand back side, grab your right ankle. You have to maintain here another 5 breath. Relax, 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 relax. Inhale, center. Exhale, both hand front side. Spread your body down as much as possible you can. Come front. Yeah, try to spread your body down. Relax, try to focus on your stretching. That's great. Relax, relax, relax. One more time. Inhale, raise your hands up. Both hand back side, interlock your finger. Yes, raise your hands up and try to drop your chin down as much as possible you can. Bend forward. Very good job. Nice. Relax, relax, relax. Okay, lift up your body, legs together. Shake your leg. Yes, legs together first. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, both hand grab your both ankle. Forward bending. Yeah, inhale up. Continue. Slowly, slowly. Look up, chin up. Exhale, down. Yeah, that's great. One more time. Inhale up. Look up, chin up. You have to maintain. Relax yourself. Relax. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Bend forward. Yeah. Grab your ankle. Just relax. Forward bending. Try to focus on your lower back. Relax. Now slowly, slowly. Both hand back side. Fold your knees. Hug your knees. Yeah. Hug your knees. Try to touch your chin over your knee. Try to relax yourself. Very good job. Now right hand slowly back side, left hand grab your right ankle. Yeah, raise your hands up first, then right hand back side, left hand grab your right ankle. Yeah, try to loop back. Just try to maintain here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, same. Change your side. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, left hand back side, right hand grab your both ankle. You can see here all the practitioner is like 40 years, 50 years and 60 years. They are very aged and they practice very well. Okay, stand up please everybody. Now we are going to sun salutation from here. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, slowly come down. Try to relax your body, both palm side of the mat. One more time. Inhale up. That's great. Slowly go back. Exhale, down. Very good job. And the last one. Inhale, raise your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Okay, last one. Come on. Inhale up and go back maximum. You have to stay. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, slowly bend forward for the Hasta Asana. Yeah, both palm side of the pad. Yeah, right leg back. Bring your right leg back. Yes, drop your knees, both hands side of the body. Yes, raise your both hands up, palms together. Okay, relax, relax, relax. Very good. Exhale, drop your both palm down. Try to left knee straight. Try to focus on your stretching. Yeah. From here, left leg back. Hold the breath, plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. If you cannot, come to drop your knees, chest and chin, come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra posture, Bhujangasana. Inhale, Cobra posture, Bhujangasana. Very good job, nice. All are the old age member, the way of practice very well. Exhale, downward facing dog. Very good. All are like 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. If they can, then you can also. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring your right leg front in between your palm. Raise your both hands sideways up. Palms together. Very good job. Maintain here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, drop your both palm down. Tight right knee straight. Just relax. Okay, now lift your left leg front in between your palm. Yeah, to forward bending. Very good job. Inhale, raise your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, both palms over your chest. Namaste, samastiti. That's great. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Relax everybody, one more time. Come on, let's go. Inhale, raise your both hands up and go back maximum. Exhale, bend forward, forward bending, both palms side of the foot. Inhale, left leg back. Yeah, drop your knees. Same way, raise your both hands up, sidewise. Exhale, drop your both palm down, right knee straight. Yeah, spread your knees down, right knee straight. Now from here, right leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Come to plank pose. Hold the breath, come to Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra posture. Look up, chin up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Bring your left leg in between your palm. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale again, same. Both palms side of the foot. Forehead touch to knee. Tie to left knee straight. Inhale. Inhale, right leg front to forward bending. Raise your both hand up. Yeah. Namaste. Both palms over your chest. Exhale. Namaste. Relax yourself. Just a couple of breathe. Relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very good job. We are going to another more round. Come on. Let's go. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Yeah. Exhale. Slowly bend forward. Very good job. Nice. Now from here again, inhale, right leg back. Drop your knees. Both palm back side. Interlock your finger. Push your hip down and slowly arch back as much as possible. Try to exhale. Try to left knee straight. Raise your both hands up and head down. Very good job. Okay, relax yourself. Now from here, drop your both palm down. Yeah, both palm down, left leg back to plank pose. The body should be straight, one line. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg. Bring your right leg in between your palm. Drop your knees again. Raise your both palm backside. Interlock your finger. Inhale, look up, chin up. Very good job. Exhale, right knee straight and raise your both hands up and try to forward bending as much as possible. You can touch your head on the leg or on the mat. It's up to you. Drop your both palm down. Exhale, left leg front to forward bending. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale, both palms over your chest. Namaste. Very good job. Try to relax. Just relax. Relax. Okay, the last one. Come on, let's go one more time. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale, bend forward. Yeah, forward bending. The same way from left leg. Inhale, left leg back. Drop your knees. Both hand back side. Interlock your finger. Push your hip down. Look up, chin up. Exhale, right knee straight. Right knee straight and raise your both hands up and head touch to knee. Drop your both palm down. Right leg back. Hold the breath. Plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga. If you cannot, come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra. Look up, chin up, Bhujanga Asana. Very good job. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes, that's great. Adho Mukha. Nice. Again from here, inhale, left leg up, all the way up. Exhale, bring your left leg in between your palm. Yeah. Inhale, both hand back side, interlock your finger, look up, chin up, same way. Exhale, try to left knee straight, raise your both hands up. Yeah, that's great. Relax yourself. Very good job. Excellent. Drop your both palm down, inhale. And exhale, right leg front to forward bending, Padahasta. Inhale, raise your hands up, Hasta Uttana. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Very good job. Excellent, everybody. Nice. Try to relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Please lie down on the back. We are going to practice ABS. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Left arm, shake your leg. Right side, left side. Twisting right, left, right, left, right, left. Relax. Now both legs high child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Lakchang. Right, left, right, left. Now take 5-minute rest and after you can practice the breathing exercise.
I hope you guys are enjoy this video. एकदम easy है for the beginner. जैसे देखा वो तो 10 से 15 मिनट का है. जस्ट थोड़ा सा वार्म अप कर लेना, बाद बाकी सीरीज कर लो, आपका फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट हो जाए. जो बिगिनर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो उन लोगों ने बहुत ईजी चीज़ है ये. आप करो, आपका होल बॉडी टॉप टू बॉटम वर्कआउट हो जाएगा. ये आपका वेट लॉस करने में बहुत मदद करता है. सुबह में आप इसको प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, या तो शाम को फ्री टाइम में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. मैं हमेशा ट्राई करता हूँ नया एक्सरसाइज डालने का, ताकि आपका बोरिंग फील ना हो, आपके अंदर एक एनर्जी आए. जो भी मैं वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ एक बार एटलीस्ट ट्राई करना. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो उसको कंटिन्यू करना, अगर अच्छा नहीं लगे तो उसको स्किप करके नया कोई दूसरा वीडियो को ट्राई करना. ठीक है ना, ऐसा है हमारा मोटो. तो चलिए मिलता है नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक ले थैंक यू सो मच. खुश रहिए, सुस्त रहिए. योग बस हर रोज़ कीजिए. नमस्ते.